Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and in this video today I'll be showing you how to test your order forms once you've got them set up. Let's get into it. So, once you've set up some services as well as order forms for your clients, you can try placing a test order to see how the entire workflow goes for your clients. What you're going to need to do first is to connect your payment processor. Head over to integrations here and connect the payment processor that you would like. In this case, we're going to be using Stripe. Make sure to set your Stripe account to test mode. In SPP, test mode is enabled by default. You can verify this by going over to settings and then payments and scrolling down and making sure that the test mode checkbox is enabled here. If you'd like, you can also test the workflow process without connecting a payment processor. Simply set up a service with a $0 price tag, which would allow you to get through the order form without adding a payment method. If you'd like to test your PayPal workflow as well, you'll need to create a PayPal Sandbox account. For instructions on how to do this, check out our help center or PayPal's documents directly. Now that we're ready, we can head over into our order forms here on the left, and then click on the three dots on the far right for the form that we would like to test, then click on View. This will open a new tab with your order form where you can place an order just like your customer would. Select the service that you'd like to test and fill in all the fields, then fill in the payment method. For Stripe, you can use an example card like the one we used over here or any of the other ones from their website to test different scenarios. Once you're ready, you can click on Complete Purchase over here, which would take your clients to a thank you page next and then redirect them into the receipt. From here, you can click on Continue to Client Portal just like your client would. If you click on the top right gravatar over here and click on Back to Admin, you'll be taken back to the admin's dashboard. For a client, this would be replaced by the Sign Out button. If we navigate to the Orders tab from the sidebar here, you'll be able to see the order that we just created as a test. That's pretty much it when it comes to testing your forms. If you have any issues with this or any other issues in general, feel free to reach out to us on support@spp.co and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video, and I hope you have an awesome day.